one of Blue Hand's favorite movies. Let's start right about here with his top of Flik's face, where his eyes will be. Right there, like that. And then like that. We start there, we've got a good base. And then his face is gonna come around like this, all over like, almost like a V. Up a bit here, and then right like that. And then what we're gonna do is bring a nose for him down here like this, which is gonna meet up into his mouth right about there. Give him a fun old cheek right there, and a fun mouth, because he's a smiley guy. He's a smiley ant. There's his tongue, looking nice. And now what we can do is draw his eyes. So they're gonna come out like this, and around, and an eyelid right about there, looking good. And we'll draw the inside of his eyes here, a little highlight right there. And we could color that in even if we like. There we go. There's one eye. Now let's do the second one. We can start it here. We've already got our guide from the top of his head, and it'll come on down like that. Very nice. Draw his eyelid right about there. And now a big old pupil eye right here. There's that. There's highlight in his eye. And we'll color the rest in like that. Very nice. Looking good, everybody. Now Flik's got some antennas, doesn't he? All ants do. So let's draw a little line up here like this. Another one here like that. And we'll do the same over here like this. And like that. And then the little bits that come out. Fun bits, his fun feeler bits, like right about there. And we'll do another one right here like that. That's looking nice. Maybe draw some little lines like that, just to give the indication that they're separate pieces. Looking good, everybody. Now we can bring his body down. So let's draw his neck right about here like that. We'll give him the thumbs up. Let's do this. His arm out like this. Right like that. Join it up with his forearm right about here. Like that. Almost coming out like a V like. And then we'll draw a thumb right about here. Big old thumbs up. And like all of our cartoon characters, they all seem to have 3 fingers. 1, 2, and 3. Looking nice. And we can join that on up like this for his hand. There we go, like that. And a little round bit there like that. And we'll continue his fingers down like that. Flik's got this funny armor kind of look to him, and I guess all ants do. But this is looking nice, everybody. Now we can draw his back right about there like that. And he'll pop his chest out like that and come on in like that. Round it about. Looking nice. And that's got a funny bums on them like this. Almost pointy like at the bottom there. And then we can start his first leg right about here. There we go. This will be his knee. Right like that. Bring it on down like that. And like that. They're all kind of funny stick-like pieces, aren't they? There's where his ankle would be. Bring us a foot up like this. And around like this. Round bits. Like that. And that. Very nice, everybody. What we can do now is bring the bit of his bum around like this. meet it up with the last one, and we can draw the other leg over here. Just like that. And that. Very good. Bring the other leg, piece of his calf down here like this. Just like that. Matching them up. Here we go. For his ankle, his heel, and his other foot. Right like that. Looking nice. And the last arm will come here. We'll have him holding it against the side, his hip, like this. Just like that. And then we'll bring around like this. So it looks like we're bringing the arm in like that. Looking good. There we go. And a little fist bit here. Very nice. Now Flik's got all sorts of armor-like bits on him, so we can draw these little movement pieces here like this. And we'll do that, and that, and that. Maybe that, and that. And we'll bring another line up like that, and like that. This is looking nice. You can do the same here with his toes. Maybe over here like this. And that. And that. Maybe on his chest like that. And like that. Oh, this is looking nice. I like the way armors is looking on Flik. Alright. I say we get to the color. Flik is blue. He has a blue shell and blue eyes. And Flik has a pink tongue. Thanks, everyone.